Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing a lemon garlic butter prawns recipe. The prawns are juicy, spicy and delicious and are best served hot as an appetizer. I can assure you they are so good they will fly off the plate in no time. So let's get straight to the ingredients. All ingredients measured using measuring spoons are leveled and not heaped. Method: heat oil in a frying pan, then add in the garlic and fry. When the garlic just starts to change color, drop in the prawns and cook on high heat for a minute. Add in the butter, pepper powder, mixed herbs, salt and red chili flakes. Cook on medium heat for a couple of minutes until the butter melts. Do not overcook the prawns. Add fresh lemon juice and chopped green coriander. Then gently toss to combine. It's a good time to taste and add additional salt, pepper and lemon juice to adjust the dish to your liking. And as mentioned before, don't overcook the prawns as it will turn chewy and rubbery. Finally, serve immediately as an appetizer while the prawns are hot and delicious. And there you have it, juicy, spicy and delicious lemon garlic butter prawns. Thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other seafood recipes that you would like to view, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.